Okay guys, so I just recently saw this stain coming through my ceiling. It's discolored stain on the ceiling, showing me that there's a leak coming from my kid's bathroom upstairs. It's a slow leak, or a small leak at least, because it's a pretty small mark there on the ceiling. Just kind of put my hand up here to show you. So it's a pretty small leak, but still saying I want to fix this. So here's what I do before I ever call a plumber to try and fix this on my own. The first thing I do is I take a pencil and I go ahead and circle the stain or the leak on the ceiling. That way I can tell definitively if it's getting larger or not after each day. So I went ahead and circled that, and that's no big deal because I'm already going to have to either cut this out and replace the drywall, or at a very bare minimum, you're going to want to paint over that. Probably best to take it out and repatch it. So go ahead and circle that stain first. That way you can tell if it's getting larger or not. And then we're going to go up into the bathroom and we're going to try and locate anywhere where water could be traveling down as a leak, and see if we can do some cheaper fixes to the bathroom before having to pay for that plumber to come out and see what that plumber wants to do with the leak. Okay, so let's head on up to the bathroom.
What I've come to notice over the last few years is that small leaks like this one on the ceiling typically come from a caulk line issue. Throughout the bathroom, for example, there are various spots that have caulk, which is supposed to keep water from entering certain areas. So what I do is I go around my bathroom and find areas where the caulk has been compromised, like this bead of caulk around my toilet. And I am going to carefully remove that caulk and apply a new bead of caulk in the area to see if that solves the problem. Sometimes this is the cheapest and easiest way to fix a small leak. After ripping out all the old caulk, I applied a new clean bead of caulk around the entire toilet, and then I went around my bathroom looking for anywhere else that I thought the water could be getting through. The next logical spot was the shower, and I did the same exact process, ripping out the old caulk and putting new caulk around where the tile meets the shower tub and where the tub meets the tile on the floor. I will provide a link with a video I recorded about how to use a caulk gun in the upper corner right now. And now the name of the game is just being patient. I'm going to continue to watch to see if this stain grows. If it doesn't grow outside of that circle, then I know that I probably fixed the problem in a very inexpensive way without having to pay for a plumber to come out to my house. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful or you liked it, hit that like button for me, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.